Hello there, and welcome back to the Dreemo channel. Tonight, we turn our attention to the most pervasive and patient element on our planet, water in all its forms. From the deepest ocean trenches to the quiet, ancient stillness of polar ice, water governs the world's rhythm. Its movement is often silent, its power is immense, and its patience is infinite. If you enjoy these gentle, quiet journeys designed for deep rest, please remember to press the like button and gently click subscribe to join our community. Your support ensures that the calm continues to flow. Now, let the cool, steady flow of water carry your mind to deep rest. Fact 1. The ocean's deepest layer, the hadal zone. The deepest part of the ocean, stretching below 6,000 meters, is known as the hadal zone, named after the mythical Greek underworld, Hades. This immense zone is in a state of perpetual, absolute darkness, subjected to crushing pressures that can reach over 1,000 times the pressure at sea level. Yet, despite this intense pressure, the hadal zone is characterized by profound stillness. Currents here are minimal, and life drifts in a cold, unmoving quiet, a realm of ultimate isolation and peace that defies the chaos above. Fact 2. Sound absorption and the muffled deep. While it is true that sound travels nearly 5 times faster in water than it does in air, the deep ocean is surprisingly quiet, especially to the human ear. Low-frequency sound waves, such as those made by large whales, can travel immense distances, crossing entire ocean basins. However, high-frequency sounds, like human speech or quick movements, are rapidly absorbed by the water molecules, leading to a deep, muffled acoustic environment. It's a world where the vast, distant echoes of the planet linger, but nearby noise is quickly dissipated and silenced. Fact 3. The 1,000-year flow of deep-sea currents. Beneath the surface turbulence, the majority of the ocean's water is driven by massive, sluggish currents that form the global thermohaline circulation, often called the global conveyor belt. This slow-motion river of water moves based on temperature and salinity differences. The current is so incredibly sluggish that a single drop of water, sinking from the North Atlantic surface, can take over 1,000 years, a full millennium, to complete its full circuit, traversing the deep ocean and eventually returning to the surface somewhere else. This is the ultimate example of a global, unhurried, patient flow. Fact 4. The memory held in the hydrological cycle. Every drop of water on Earth is ancient and continuously recycled. The water you drink tonight is the same water that flowed through ancient river deltas, froze in prehistoric glaciers, or rained down on the dinosaurs. This constant, quiet cycle, known as the hydrological cycle, means water never truly leaves the system. It only changes form between liquid, gas, and solid. In this silent, continuous circulation, water patiently holds the memory of the planet, connecting the present moment to all of geological history. Fact 5. Ice's unique insulating expansion. Water is one of the very few natural substances that expands when it freezes, meaning solid ice is less dense than liquid water. This unique property is absolutely vital for life on Earth. It allows ice to float on the surface of lakes and oceans, creating an insulating layer that protects the water and the life beneath it from freezing solid in the coldest climates. Without this quiet, insulating shield, our planet's aquatic life would cease to exist. Fact 6. The quiet, patient growth of snowflakes. The formation of a snowflake is a quiet, profound act of physics. It begins when supercooled water vapor slowly freezes onto a tiny, suspended dust particle in a cloud. Each subsequent water molecule carefully attaches, following precise physical rules to grow its unique, perfect, six-sided pattern. This patient crystal growth occurs entirely in silence, with billions of these intricate structures falling to the ground in a quiet, collective, unhurried descent. Fact 7. Tides as a rhythmic cosmic pull. The ocean tides are a profound demonstration of cosmic geometry translated into earthly patience. Tides are not caused by the Earth tilting. They result from the gentle, constant gravitational pull exerted primarily by the Moon, and to a lesser extent, the Sun. This immense astronomical force results in a smooth, rhythmic, quiet rise and fall of the sea level. This twice-daily phenomenon is a quiet, predictable dance of water, demonstrating cosmic forces translated into earthly patience. Fact 8. The weighty bow of Antarctica. The Antarctic ice sheet is a geological giant, so massive and heavy that its sheer weight actually pushes the continental crust beneath it downward into the Earth's mantle. This phenomenon, known as isostatic depression, is a slow, quiet geological response to the immense, static pressure of the overlying ice mass. The land itself bows, or is depressed, in silent deference to the cold, demonstrating a massive, silent struggle between ice and rock. Fact 9. Subglacial lakes. Worlds of absolute stillness. Deep beneath the kilometers-thick, ancient ice sheets of Antarctica, heat from the Earth's core keeps some water liquid, forming vast, silent subglacial lakes, such as Lake Vostok. These isolated, dark bodies of water have been entirely cut off from the surface atmosphere for millions of years, creating worlds of absolute, profound, and undisturbed stillness, protected by the quiet pressure of the ice above. Fact 10. Fog's dampening quiet. Fog is simply a low-lying cloud composed of incredibly tiny water droplets suspended in the air. Its presence brings an intense, atmospheric quietness because the dense water particles absorb and scatter sound waves. Fog makes the world feel small, isolated, and perfectly still, forcing a halt to speed and noise, and enveloping the environment in a sense of hushed mystery. Fact 11. The ice sheet's slow, powerful grind. Unlike rapidly flowing surface glaciers, massive ice sheets move extremely slowly, spreading outwards in vast, almost imperceptible motions. This slow, patient grind is a constant geological sculptor, reshaping coastlines and scouring the underlying bedrock with immense, silent pressure. This massive geological action operates across hundreds of thousands of years, defining the very shape of the continents. Fact 12. Salinity stratification and quiet boundaries. In the ocean, subtle differences in salinity, saltiness, and temperature cause the water to separate into distinct, invisible layers that mix very slowly. This layering, called stratification, creates immense, quiet, internal boundaries that govern the deep ocean. These thermal and saline walls regulate the flow of deep ocean currents and quietly control the distribution of vital nutrients. Fact 13. Water's surface tension, the invisible film. The surface of water acts like a thin, invisible, elastic film due to surface tension, which is caused by the cohesive forces between the water molecules. This quiet, physical force is strong enough to allow small, tiny insects to walk on water, and permits delicate dewdrops to cling to leaves in perfect, spherical stillness. It is a fundamental demonstration of quiet balance in nature's physics. Fact 14. The isolated world of hydrothermal vents. Deep on the ocean floor, in pitch-black darkness, hydrothermal vents emit extremely hot, mineral-rich water. This water sustains entire, unique ecosystems, tubeworms, shrimp, and bacteria, without a single ray of sunlight. These vents are silent, dark oases where life depends entirely on geothermal chemistry, existing in profound, quiet isolation, completely divorced from the surface world. Fact 15. The patient drip of stalactites. In deep, quiet caves, formations like stalactites grow from the ceiling as mineral-rich water drips with incredible slowness, depositing calcite over thousands of years. The growth of these massive formations is marked by the quietest sound imaginable, the gentle, rhythmic drip, drip, drip of water, marking geological time one quiet drop at a time. Fact 16. Freezing point depression, chemical stability. The salt dissolved in ocean water quietly lowers its freezing point. This quiet, chemical stability prevents vast amounts of ocean water from instantaneously freezing when temperatures drop below 0 degrees Celsius. This property ensures the persistence of the ocean's slow, liquid flow, preventing sudden, catastrophic freezing across the globe. Fact 17. Water's near incompressibility and strength. Water is nearly incompressible. This means that even under the immense pressure of the Hadal zone, the total volume of the water barely changes. This property gives the ocean its foundational, constant, quiet strength, allowing it to absorb enormous pressure and energy without yielding. The sea is the ultimate absorber of force. Fact 18. The quiet power of vapor and energy. Water vapor, the gaseous form of water, is an invisible, quiet force. It carries massive amounts of energy and latent heat around the globe, driving weather systems and the water cycle entirely unseen and unheard. It is the atmosphere's silent, immense energy transport system, constantly working without a sound. Fact 19. The slow release of ancient water. As massive glaciers and ancient ice caps slowly melt, they release water that has been locked in solid ice for thousands of years. This process is a quiet, continuous return of ancient, pure precipitation back into the active global cycle. It is a patient, geological handover of history back to the present moment, flowing into the streams and rivers of today. Fact 20. The unending stillness of the cycle. Ultimately, the great hydrological cycle, encompassing all forms of water on Earth, is defined by its unending stillness. Water continuously moves, changes phase, and flows across immense distances, but its total volume and energy remain in perfect, quiet balance. This cosmic scale order is the deepest reassurance. Let this quiet, eternal circulation be the rhythm of your deepest rest.